The OBDPEAK K50 Android 13 AI 10.26 screen dashcam emerges as a cutting-edge solution that seamlessly integrates advanced features for both safety and entertainment. With a host of functionalities, this device transforms your driving routine into a connected and intelligent journey. The OBDPEAK K50 runs on the latest Android 13.0 operating system, providing a user-friendly interface and access to a wide range of applications, making your driving experience both intuitive and versatile. Stay connected on the go with the dual connectivity options of 4G and Wi-Fi. This ensures a reliable and fast internet connection, enabling real-time updates, online navigation, and seamless streaming of content. Enjoy the convenience of wireless connectivity with Carplay and Android Auto. Effortlessly integrate your smartphone with the dash cam, allowing for hands-free communication, music playback, and navigation right from the 10.26 2.5D IPS Touch Screen. The Mirror Link feature enhances versatility by supporting Airplay and Android Wireless Mirror. Share your smartphone screen on the dash cam display, creating a more integrated and interactive driving experience. The OBDPEAK K50 offers multiple audio output options, including FM transmission and Bluetooth. Whether it's playing music or making calls, this dash cam ensures a seamless audio experience. Benefit from accurate GPS navigation and enjoy online audio and video playback directly on the 10.26 screen. Navigate with confidence and entertain yourself during your journeys. With a substantial 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM, the OBDPEAK K50 provides ample storage for applications, recordings, and multimedia content. This robust configuration ensures smooth performance and multitasking capabilities. The large 10.26 2.5D IPS touchscreen offers a clear and responsive interface, enhancing visibility and ease of use while interacting with the dashcam's features. Expand your surveillance capabilities by adding a rear camera. Sold separately. The dual lens setup enhances safety by providing a comprehensive view of both the front and rear of your vehicle. The OBDPEAK K50 Android 13 AI 10.26 screen dashcam stands as a testament to the convergence of smart technology and automotive innovation. Elevate your driving experience with this feature-packed device that combines intelligence, connectivity, and safety in one sleek package.